Creating a course using AI. In this video, we'll walk through creating a course in the Safety Learning Management System. The Safety Learning Management System allows users to create custom content, such as uploading a dash camera video, and then adding a quiz following the footage, or uploading company policies and procedures, etc. For this tutorial, we are going to focus on the Generate with AI option. To begin, on the Home dashboard, click Courses. Then click Add Course. Enter the name, and ensure the type is based on the content. Most courses will be e-learning, which is the default. Then click Add. Next, use the Add Content drop-down box and click Add Talentcraft Unit. Select the Import from Generate with AI option. Next, enter a prompt on what type of course you want to create. And click Start Creating. Once the process is completed, you will see your newly developed training course. Before publishing, review the course to ensure the content is accurate, compliant, and appropriate for the intended audience. Course edits can be made using the edit tools at the bottom of the page. Once your course is finalized, click Publish. To create a competency-based quiz for custom content, use the Add Content drop-down menu and click Add Test. Label the name of the test. It is recommended that the name of the test correlates with the name of the course. Then click Save and select Questions. Click Add Question and choose from the different types of questions displayed. Enter the question text and select the correct answer. Then click Save Question. This step can be repeated for as many questions as you'd like to add. You can also use the Course Rules feature to set the percentage needed to pass, to disable multiple attempts, etc.